Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm making a very easy recipe for you. I'm making a chicken curry fried rice. This recipe you'll have it made in about 15 minutes. It's packed with lovely vegetables, some chicken, a little bit of curry in there. It's a beautiful recipe. So to get started, I've heated some olive oil in a pan and I've prepared all my vegetables because this is super quick. It's best to prepare all your vegetables. And I'm going to get all my peppers in here. I'm using one red and one yellow pepper. Peppers can take a little bit of time to cook, so I'm going to cook these first. Have your pan nice and hot and cook these for about 2 minutes. Alright, now I'm ready to add in my chicken. I'm using 2 chicken breasts here. And we want to seal the chicken, so cook that for a couple of minutes. My chicken is fully cooked through now, so into here I am going to add in my curry powder and I'm going to add my chopped garlic in there. Mix it together and get it in there. Just show you which curry powder I'm using. It's a Tesco medium tikka curry powder. We don't like curry too hot in this house, so choose whichever one you like. So I'm going to coat everything in my curry powder and garlic. Smells lovely. Now into here I'm going to add in my mushrooms, and I'm using about 6 mushrooms. I've just chopped them up. Get them well mixed in as well. I'm going to add a splash of hot water, and I've got some soya sauce, about 5 to 6 tablespoons of soya sauce. And it's the dark soya sauce I'm using. Mix everything together. In goes my spring onion. I'm going to add some bean sprouts. If you have them, you can use them. If you can't get them, you can leave them out. It seems like there's a lot of bean sprouts here, but they do reduce down to nothing. So get them mixed in. Cook it for about 2 minutes. I'm going to add the rice now. And for this dish, it's important to use cooked rice, and it has to be cold. You cannot use hot rice in this dish. So make the rice in advance and put it in the fridge. I'll include the amount in the recipe that you need, and I'll also give you a few tips on how to get rice nice and fluffy. And I know some people cook rice and have problems with it. It gets really sticky. So I'm going to get the rice in there, and of course you can use any type of rice. I'm just using long grain rice. If you're making a dish with rice, just boil some extra to use in this chicken curry fried rice. I'm going to mix all that in now. My rice is all mixed in now, looks lovely. Just make a little well in the center. And I've got 2 eggs and I'm going to pour them in there. Get a fork and mix them together. We're going to let these cook a little before we mix it through. And I'm going to add in another tablespoon of soya sauce. And let's mix this through. This is a great meal for a Saturday night. It'd save you a fortune making this and not buying a takeaway. And it's a lot healthier for you as well. Just going to add a little bit of salt and pepper. That's it, that's the dish finished. And that is my curry chicken fried rice. I'm going to get some onto a plate. And that's it, look at that. And sprinkle on a few more spring onions. And there it is, everyone, My curry chicken fried rice, an absolutely gorgeous dish, a really easy dish to make as well, and it doesn't cost a lot of money to make it either. Give the recipe a go and let me know how you get on. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you all soon. Happy baking, everyone.